step into Jakarta's quietest terminal, a place where the echoes of aviation history blend seamlessly with the calm rhythm of modern travel. In a world of ever-expanding, often overwhelming airport hubs, Soekarno-Hatta International Airport's Terminal 1C offers a unique sanctuary. It's a hidden domestic haven, a nostalgic whisper amidst the bustling metropolis waiting to be rediscovered. For those who cherish the golden age of air travel, or simply seek a moment of tranquility before their journey, Terminal 1C presents an unexpected charm. This isn't just a gateway, it's a destination in itself, a testament to thoughtful design and a slower pace of life. Welcome to Terminal 1C. To truly appreciate Terminal 1C, we must first journey back to the origins of Soekarno-Hatta International Airport. Conceived in the late 1970s and officially opened in 1985, Terminal 1, comprising sections A, B, and C, was a visionary project. Designed by the renowned French architect Paul Andreu, it was a pioneering example of the garden airport concept. Andreu's philosophy embraced local Indonesian aesthetics, incorporating traditional Javanese, Pendopo-style pavilions and utilizing indigenous materials like red bricks and rich timber. This design wasn't merely functional. It was a cultural statement, a welcoming embrace of Indonesian heritage for travelers arriving and departing. For decades, Terminal 1 served as the primary international and domestic gateway, witnessing countless stories unfold. However, as air travel evolved, so did the airport's needs. Terminal 1C, once a bustling segment, eventually saw its activity wane, leading to a period of quiet contemplation. It was a pause, a moment for reflection before its remarkable resurgence. This revitalization, a comprehensive renovation by PTPP, costing an estimated 1.3 trillion rupiah, aimed not to erase its past but to enhance it, preserving Andreu's original vision while infusing it with contemporary comforts and efficiency. The goal was to transform it into a classic modern hybrid, a bridge between eras. Today, it stands as a revitalized monument to Jakarta's aviation legacy. In an era where airport access is often restricted to ticketed passengers, Terminal 1C offers a refreshing departure. One of its most revolutionary features, and perhaps its best-kept secret, is the public commercial zone. This isn't just a waiting area. It's a vibrant hub designed for everyone, ticketed or not. Imagine being able to meet friends, work remotely, or simply enjoy the unique atmosphere of an airport without the need for a boarding pass. This policy, part of a broader rebalancing effort by airport authorities, aims to transform the airport into a lifestyle destination, integrating it more deeply with the local community. It's a rare privilege, a hidden airport lounge hack for locals and aviation enthusiasts alike. This open-door approach fosters a sense of community and accessibility, challenging the conventional boundaries of airport spaces. It allows families to spend more time with departing loved ones, provides a unique co-working space, and offers a glimpse into the world of aviation for those who simply appreciate its allure. The spaciousness and thoughtful layout of these areas invite lingering, encouraging visitors to embrace the calm before the storm of travel, or simply to enjoy a quiet afternoon in a truly unique setting. It is a democratization of the airport experience, making the terminal a part of the city's social fabric. Within this accessible commercial zone, a curated selection of tenants provides all the comforts one might desire. From the familiar aroma of Starbucks to the local charm of Fore coffee, there's a brew for every palate. For a taste of traditional Malaysian and Singaporean fare, Killiney offers its classic kaya toast and coffee, while Hang Tua Kopi and Toastery provides a local Indonesian coffee experience. Beyond these, visitors can find a variety of dining options including Subway, Krispy Kreme, Pandan Kuning, Toast Box, Sancha Solaria, Basuafang, and 100 Hours Curry. For those seeking a more exclusive experience, the recently launched Blue Sky Premier Lounge caters specifically to Citilink, domestic passengers, offering a tranquil escape. These establishments aren't just concessions. They are integral to the Terminal 1C experience, transforming it into a genuine destination. They create a welcoming environment, perfect for a casual meeting, a productive work session, or simply unwinding before a flight. The presence of such diverse and quality offerings further solidifies Terminal 1C's reputation as a comfortable and convenient hub. It is a place where the mundane task of waiting is transformed into an enjoyable experience of discovery and relaxation. If you're enjoying this journey through the hidden gems of aviation, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Join our community of travel enthusiasts and discover more airport secrets, historical insights, and unique destinations from around the globe. Your support helps us continue to bring you these untold stories and explore the fascinating world of airports, one terminal at a time. Subscribe now and never miss an adventure. Your engagement keeps this channel flying high. The recent renovation of Terminal 1C, completed by November 12, 2025, is a masterclass in blending heritage with modernity. The interior design firm, working under PTPP, meticulously preserved the essence of Paul Andreu's original vision while introducing contemporary elements. The result is a classic modern hybrid that feels both familiar and fresh. Long corridors, bathed in warm, classic lighting evoke a sense of nostalgia, reminiscent of a bygone era of air travel. Yet, the renovated seating areas are clean, comfortable, and thoughtfully arranged, providing calm spaces for relaxation or work. The expansion of the service area from 48,212 square meters to 68,168 square meters, and an increased capacity from 3 million to an impressive 8 to 10 million passengers per year, speaks volumes about the commitment to enhancing the passenger experience. This isn't just a facelift. It's a strategic upgrade that respects the terminal's architectural legacy while preparing it for future demands. The thoughtful integration of traditional Indonesian motifs with sleek, modern finishes creates an aesthetic that is uniquely Jakarta, a true reflection of its cultural richness and its forward-looking spirit. At the heart of Terminal 1C's domestic operations is Citilink, Indonesia's low-cost carrier. Since November 12, 2025, all Citilink domestic flights have been centralized here, creating a streamlined and efficient experience for its passengers. The calm atmosphere, particularly evident at the check-in counters, stands in stark contrast to the often hectic environment of larger, more modern terminals like Terminal 3. This focus on a single airline for domestic operations contributes significantly to the terminal's serene ambiance. Passengers can enjoy a more relaxed pre-flight experience, with shorter queues and a greater sense of space. From certain window seating areas, travelers can even enjoy captivating runway views, a simple pleasure that connects them directly to the magic of aviation. Terminal 1C is more than just an airport. It's a philosophy. It's a place where the past meets the present in quiet corners, where the soul of Soekarno-Hatta's original vision is preserved and celebrated. It reminds us that travel isn't always about speed and efficiency, but also about the journey itself, the moments of calm, and the subtle beauty found in unexpected places. As airport historian Dr. Anya Sharma once noted, 1C preserves CGK's soul. What's your favorite quiet airport spot? Comment yours below.